All right, so hope you guys are good, man. Thank you for tuning in to this video. I'm pumped for this one. I'm pumped for all the upcoming fall content and a lot of other stuff. I know we're in summer right now, but we're getting ready for fall, and being ready for that fall season is where it's at. You don't want the cold weather to be here and then all of a sudden you're like, what am I gonna wear? This video should help you out with some options. These items you might have in your closet already. Maybe this is stuff you go thrift, or if you wanna buy it right now, I'll link as much of it as I can down in the description for you. These are lightweight options, transitioning from summer to fall. That's the focus on this video. We're not talking about the heavyweight jackets and all that stuff just yet. I'm not gonna be happy unless I put out 10 fall videos. So subscribe if you're new here and want to see more of that, and hit that thumbs up for me if you are enjoying this fall content or you want to see more of it. Now, this is important, and I try to include you guys on things that are going on in my life. I am gonna be moving. I'm in the process of moving right now, and this has been something that I've been waiting for. I'm super excited about it. You'll see some content about it as well. I like to share things with you. I've said that I need to be better at that, because I don't want to just flip the script and then all of a sudden I'm somewhere else, or things look different. You know, you'll maybe see 1 or 2 more videos in this space. This is pretty much just a studio where I do my content. So I've been saving up for a long time to buy a house, and that's because I want it to be right. I want it to be the perfect space to do content, the perfect space that you see these videos, my Instagram pictures, and everything else that I want to do. You know, I can step my game up. If you look at my videos over the past few years, there is room to grow. There's room to have a better quality video out there, and that's what I've had in mind, and it all starts with a good space. So fingers crossed, if everything works out, I'm hoping to bring some better content here for you guys. And hopefully there's no delay in these videos and you'll continue to see 1 or 2 of them a week. If there is, that's what's going on, and I'm sharing it with you. So, part of it, man. But that's not the topic of this video. We're talking about the fall, 5 items that I'm feeling right now. Let's go. So starting off with the sweatshirt that I'm wearing. This is the last call for tie-dye. Keep that in mind. If you have a tie-dye item you've been wanting to wear, rock it now, because when it gets fall and winter time, it doesn't vibe as much. It's more of a warm weather vibe, and also they're cotton items. T-shirts, crew necks, hoodies, those are the items that you see tie-dyed. You don't see a lot of tie-dye jackets, and that's for a reason. So just remember, it is last call for tie-dye. This particular sweatshirt is not something that I'm gonna be releasing. It just didn't work out to do. This was made in Canada, and then it was custom dyed. Like, this would be a $150 sweatshirt, and I don't think we're there yet. However, if it's still warm for you right now, and it's gonna be warm over the next couple months, I did drop a tie-dye t-shirt just recently, last week. This was my last summer drop. It's a heavyweight tie-dye t-shirt. These were custom dyed, and then you've got some Win Marlin embroidery on the left side. It's from a charter fishing collection that I did. It's just a theme I've always wanted to do. I got the colors right, and it's dope. So if you want to cop anything from that, it's down in the description. I know we're talking about fall, but I had to throw some Umbros in the mix with this one. These are the boat Umbros in like a turquoise. And we do have a hoodie with this collection. Check that out, man. This graphic, love it. It took me a while to kind of perfect it and have the color combination right, but Win Charter Fishing, hop on board with me, man. There's not many sizes left, I don't think. Last time I checked, there wasn't a whole lot, but if you're interested, down in the description, tie-dye, wear it now. All right, let's talk flannels. Let's talk flannels real quick, and I'm not gonna do a deep dive into flannels because I need to do a dedicated video on them. I'm a huge fan of PacSun flannels. I've had this one for a little over a year, I think, and I always rock it right around this time. It's that perfect color combination of light blue, gold, and white, and it just works at the end of summer. If you want to still wear shorts and just a nice lounging t-shirt with this thing, I find myself wearing that combination a lot. So I showed you guys this flannel when I picked it up, but since then it has sold out. Recently, PacSun restocked it, and it was like $24. The time I'm putting this video out, this thing had a full size run for $24. So if you want it, I'll link it for you. And because it's not this high quality, heavyweight flannel, you can rock it when it's like 60 something degrees out. The cheapness of it is actually a benefit, if you follow what I'm saying. You also see me wearing this yellow one pretty often too. This is perfect for the fall. It is not available right now, I don't think, but if that one restocked, maybe this one will. I've just found myself wearing a lot of PacSun flannels. More flannel talk in the future. Let's keep it rolling. The loudest item that I can show you in a video is a windbreaker, so I'm gonna do that right now. Literally, the loudest. I intentionally don't wear them when I'm doing videos because it's loud. I'll move my arm and it's like, so sorry for the, but bear with me because windbreakers, oh so important right now. I've got a bunch, I've thrifted some, I have older ones, I have new ones. These are just a couple that I want to show you for certain reasons. This one right here is from Uniqlo and it's part of the JW Anderson collection. And the only reason I got it is because of the color. Think of windbreakers as a great opportunity to get some color into your outfit. Any blue, navy, orange, or tan sneaker that I rock is gonna go with this. If you look at sales sections on some of these websites, you can find windbreakers cheap because it's an in-between jacket. People either want to rock their sweatshirt or that heavy-duty jacket. They don't see the in-between, but there's a lot of good options there. LL Bean makes a good one. I'll link it for you guys. But most importantly, you really need to have a Nike or Jordan windbreaker in your closet. In my opinion, this one was cheap. It was easy to get. Nike has so many right now. This is just that classic black, red, and white that's gonna go with any Chicago Bulls Jordan. And you know what this does? It's a statement jacket. It's a statement jacket. There's a lot of lettering on it. It stands out, and adding an item like this to your closet for a relatively inexpensive price, most windbreakers are under $100. It's a no-brainer for me. I need to have some options like this because say you get like an off-white windbreaker for $700. It's not worth it. I know off-white is all the jam for some of you. Even if you pay resale for some of the Supreme stuff, you can get that same type of graphic and statement vibe from something that Nike offers, that Jordan offers, that a lot of other brands do. Thrift something. Man, I'm thrifting so many windbreakers right now. You've seen a few. You're gonna see more. Look there. I'm talking way too much about windbreakers. Let's keep it going. How many items was that? Tie-dye, flannel, the jacket. I've got another jacket. Oh, the pants. Gotta have pants. Okay, you can have all the tops in the world, but if you don't have some pants to go with it, what are you doing? If you continually wear the same pair of pants, if it's like your blue pair of jeans and you switch up all your tops, no. Gotta do it all. Pants are the hardest items to shop for across the board, whether you're talking denim, chinos, wind pants, sweatpants. They're hard to find good ones. It is, you know the struggles. Recently, I've been rocking a lot less denim. I'm big into chinos and sweatpants right now. This particular pair of New Balance sweats is money. These are more so athletic type sweatpants because that's what New Balance does, but it's part of their lifestyle line. Now, why these are so great, aside from that cool New Balance branding, is how they did the cuff. This cuff right here is everything. It's not like your tech fleece. It's not like your standard jogger pants where it has this super tight cuff at the bottom and then it kind of flares up a little bit. Look how tapered these pants are. It's nice and relaxed on the thighs and then it tapers down fully to the ankle. No drop off, nothing. It's perfect. These type of pants are difficult to find. Trust me. So when I found one that fit me really well, I wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, with fall being as good as it gets and it being the best season out there, you got to cover everything. And it's a short season. It's a transition from essentially summer to winter. It's not that long lived, but I have a true fall. Each day I want to have a good fit. I don't want to mail in any of my fall outfits. So having everything covered from menswear, basics, all the way to that flashy streetwear, I gotta do it. So with that said, you gotta have some patterns in the mix. I picked up this crazy jacket from PacSun I didn't break the bank because, again, on these statement type pieces, you don't want to break the bank unless you absolutely are in love with it. So a lot of times I'll go the more affordable route, but patterns like this are, for one, hard to find unless you are shopping high end. Like, I could see Ame Leondor putting out something similar to this, but their stuff is just, you know, 600 bucks for a jacket. I'm not there yet. I could do it, but I would rather show you guys items like this than all those high-end items. I'll get something this fall or winter from them, but just one item. One item. So you've got pink, off-white, maroon, navy, and then this super busy pattern. Price tag was 55 bucks. How could you beat that? You know, it's not this item that you get in and you're like, oh my God, this is super soft, this is premium, it feels great. Nope, this is simply just a pattern that you could throw on over one of your sweatshirts or just have it be a layer as it is. It's not gonna feel like organic cotton. It's a little bit oversized and relaxed on the fit, but it still is the fit that I like. So keep that in mind if you're in between, may want to go down. So those are the items that I'm feeling right now. Make sure you're following me on Instagram if you want to see how I'm styling everything. If there's a particular video that you want to see in this fall series, leave it down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe if you're new here. Thank you guys for hearing me out, messing with this channel. A lot of good stuff is on the way. I'll catch you next time.